Hi, I'm Captain Sarah with Chesapeake Boating Academy and TowBoatUS Kent Narrows, here today with BoatUS. Today we're going to talk about trim tabs. I'm going to teach you the best way to use your tabs so that you can improve your boat's performance. Trim tabs are hydraulic plates on the transom or underneath the boat that are used to adjust the balance and level of the boat when it's on a plane. If your boat has trim tabs, you're generally going to find the trim tab switch on your helm station. Mine's located right here below my throttle. You only want to adjust your trim tabs once you're up on a plane. If you're going slow and in displacement mode, you want to keep your trim tabs all of the way up. Now let's talk about how to use these tabs in practice. If you put both of your tabs down, it's going to bring the bow down. What that does is it changes the running angle of the boat when it's on a plane. You can bring your bow down or up. You can also individually adjust your tabs. Doing that will adjust the port and starboard list of the boat. The safest way to run your boat on a plane is where it's balanced and running level. Now that we're ready to get up onto a plane, we want to make sure first that our passengers and the weight is evenly distributed so that the boat is riding level. Then we want to do a full 360 scan around the boat. And we want to check our charts in front of us to make sure that we have deep, safe water to go into. Before I get up onto a plane, I'm going to make sure that I have my engine trimmed all of the way down and that my tabs are trimmed all of the way up. If you're on a boat with a lot of bow rise or really heavy in the stern, you may want to have those tabs trimmed slightly down to help bring the bow down to get you onto a plane more efficiently. Now that we're up on a plane, we're going to use our tabs to bring our bow down just a little bit so we can be on a plane a little bit more efficiently. I'm going to tap both of them down at the same time. Now you can notice that we have a passenger in the back of the boat who's been moving around. So we have a bit of a port list. The boat is leaning to the left. Because it's got a port list, we're going to do starboard bow down. We can also do port bow up to help balance the boat out. One big mistake that a lot of boaters make is that they will put both of their tabs down. When you put your tabs all of the way down, what can happen is that it will stuff the bow of the boat and move it too far forward. That moves your bow wake farther forward, it makes steering a bit harder, and it can also make the engine work a lot harder. The entire point of having tabs is to make your boat more efficient and improve your performance. So you really want to make sure that they're adjusted just so that you're riding the boat evenly and level. Now you've learned how trim tabs work and how they can make your boat perform better on a plane. If you'd like to learn more skills like this, check out the BoatUS Foundation on-water training programs near you. If you've liked our video, please like and subscribe. Leave any comments below for videos that you'd like to see in the future. We'll see you out on the water.